Bouncing back from setbacks in love. Dating can be a roller coaster of emotions, with its highs and lows. It's especially challenging when we experience setbacks, such as breakups or rejections. But, with resilience, we can get back up and keep trying. Dating resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep pursuing our goals. Resilience is the capacity to manage the challenges of life, including dating. It can help us to move on from difficult experiences, such as breakups, and keep searching for love. It also helps us to remain hopeful, despite any rejections we may face. It's natural to feel discouraged after a breakup or a rejection. But, it's important to remember that it's not the end of the world. With resilience, we can accept the situation and keep trying. We can also learn from our experiences, so that we can make better decisions in the future. Developing resilience is a process that involves understanding our emotions, accepting our mistakes, and learning from our experiences. It can be helpful to talk to a therapist or a supportive friend. We can also take the time to reflect on our thoughts and feelings, and focus on our self-care. We can also practice self-compassion. This involves being kind to ourselves, and recognizing that we are all human and make mistakes. It can help us to move on and keep pursuing our goals. We can also practice mindfulness, which helps us to stay in the present moment and appreciate the good things in life. It's also important to stay connected with our support network. We can talk to our friends and family about our experiences, and they can provide us with emotional support and encouragement. We can also reach out to our community, and join online groups or forums to connect with people who have similar experiences. Finally, it's important to remember that setbacks are normal and that we all experience them. We can take the time to process our emotions, and then move on and keep trying. With resilience, we can bounce back from setbacks and keep pursuing our goals.